If you're having a bit of trouble getting the colour balance right in your videos, chances are that you're not setting your white balance to the same value as your main light source. So in this video, I'm going to talk about white balance and how you can set it correctly so that the footage looks more natural to how it is in real life, whether you're using natural light or light kits. So there are two ways that you can set your white balance in your camera. The first is by selecting a specific lighting scene from the menu. Most cameras have this, so if you're outdoors and it's a sunny day, then select that option. If it's a cloudy day, select that option. Even if you're indoors and you have no other lights on because you're using the natural light in the room, select the light scene as you would as if you were outdoors. The second way of doing this, which is also going to give you more accurate colour balance, is to use the Kelvin meter. You can either use this by just eyeballing the scene and dialing in the temperature to how you see the scene in front of you, or the other way is to set the Kelvin in your camera to the same Kelvin value that you're using with your main light source if you're using a light kit. So for example, if you're using an LED light and the Kelvin's set to 5500K, set your white balance to 5500K as well. This is going to match the white balance in the camera to the temperature of your scene so that your colours are then just basically going to look more accurate. Even if you have a backlight that's completely different colour to your main light, still set your white balance to the same Kelvin as your main light source, because if you try and match the backlight or the other lights, then your white balance is just going to be completely off. Hope this video was useful. If so, hit the like button and drop me a comment if you have any questions. I've got more videos coming up, so do subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when they're available to watch. In the meantime, you can check out some of my other helpful videos that I've put together in a handy playlist for you. Thanks for watching this one. Catch you next time.